Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about identifying solutions to a system of linear equations. So how do we determine if an ordered pair is a solution to a system of equations? Well, right here we have two lines. This line is in standard form, this line is in slope-intercept form, but they're just two lines. Wherever these two lines cross or intersect is going to be the solution to the system. They're going to intersect at a point, or they're going to be the same line and they will have infinite intersections. But if this point -4, -18 lies on both of our lines, then it will be a solution. And we test whether it's a solution by plugging our point or our ordered pair in for each of our lines. So if we do that with the first one, we'll get 15 times -4 minus 3 times -18 equals -6. If the left-hand side of the equation equals the right-hand side of the equation, then that means that this point lands on this line. So we'll get -60 minus or plus 54 equals -6. -60 plus 54 is -6. So left-hand side equal to right-hand side, which means that -4 and -18 lands on this first line here. It exists on that line. So now we need to also check it for the second line. So we would get -18, or y, equals 5 times -4 plus 2. So this is going to be -18 equals -20 plus 2. This is -18 equals -18, which is true. So because this point, -4 and -18, exists on both lines, that means it is a solution to our system of equations. Now, before we decide that, hey, this is another point and two lines only intersect once, we have to be careful, because if they end up being the same line, you can have two different points where they, quote, intersect. So let's go ahead and check the point 0, 5. So for this first one, to check it, see if it lies on the first line, we'll go 15 times 0 minus 3 times 5. Is that equal to -6? Well, this goes to 0, so we end up getting -15 equals -6. The left-hand side does not equal the right-hand side, so 0, 5 is not going to land on this first line, which means it is not going to be a solution for our system of equations. And that's how we can identify whether an ordered pair is a solution to a system of linear equations.